Going to be replacing a battery for Lexus key, and it requires CR1620. So I'm gonna remove the blade here and pop it up. Right here, go ahead and remove the key here. There's a little slide notch here. Remove it. Then we're gonna actually pop this open. You can use a little dime, or yeah, there's a slot here. Just pop it open like so. Okay, so this bit come out. So like you say, this piece come out, and then we're gonna turn this over. Just do like that, and you see this, the battery over here. So we're gonna pop it out gently. You can use a little knife or use the dime again, a little knife to actually open the package here. So anyway, I'm gonna be put this in here, up, with the label up. Okay, so it's good now. Put it back right here. It's only going one way, so like so. Put this back. Okay. And I have a tester here, so I'll go ahead and test it. See if it works. Yeah, that's better. On full button, works okay, you can see. Well, good. So I guess every year or 2 years, when they start getting low, go ahead and replace them, and it should be good. You don't want to be stranded with, out of battery on your remote, and you cannot start the car. Well, take care, and we'll see you folks on the next video. Bye for now.